So the very first shift which happened with me after I started regulating my nervous system and started releasing all that stored trauma from my brain and from my body and from my nervous system. The very first thing, after 3 to 4 months, I started feeling that I'm able to now control my binge eating. And this was huge. And initially I didn't really believe to myself that I started feeling that something from inside, it just is not instigating me to do so much binge eating. And I started resorting to healthy food choices. And this was very strange feeling and also very empowering feeling for me, for a person who has lived 20 to 25 years binge eating and using food as a source of happiness and as a source of motivation to do every single chore. I used to resort to food. It has become like an innate habit that wherever I have to go, whatever I have to do, the first thing in the morning used to be food. The next thing used to be food. After that, afternoon I used to eat something even healthy, unhealthy. There were days when I used to was not able to stop my unhealthy eating patterns. And that's huge for a person like me, that I was able to control my binge eating. And I had tried to control it, using the hard way, restricting myself and, really not going for that. And that used to, then had a ripple effect on other aspects of my life, that I would not enjoy, doing my chores and doing my office work or doing any tedious work. I still do not, I do not like to do tedious work. I'm being honest with this now. But the work which I truly love and enjoy, I'm able to do now. And my binge eating is just gone. So I don't live for food now. And it's rewarding. It's freedom. It's empowering when you are not constantly thinking about the food. So that's a huge transformation which happened with me in my healing journey. And even now, when I'm into my menopause phase or approaching my menopause, and at the time of menstruation also, I do not really binge eat. I'm able to sustain. I'm having ADHD medications also, because that also helps. And if I restrict myself, I used to have a lot of hair fall. So that is again another ripple effect. So you will see, if you are restricting yourself and if you are punishing yourself, your body will be able to tell you that I'm not happy with you. Or your mind will tell you that I'm not happy with this way. So it's like you have to give this love to your inner child. You have to have this self-compassion for your own self. You have to let go of all those limiting beliefs which you have been holding on for so long. And this is huge for me. And yes, start regulating your nervous system and do the inner child work. And it's going to give you a new self. So thank you.